If you take a look at successful YouTubers with millions of subscribers and views, you'll notice one thing they all have in common: eye-catching thumbnails. Surprisingly, these thumbnails aren't always designed by professional, high-paying graphic designers. Instead, many are created using simple AI tools. You too can create thumbnails just like these, without breaking the bank. In this guide, I'll share some of the best AI tools for generating YouTube thumbnails that can help boost your revenue. Let's dive in. We'll also guide you on how to write effective prompts for these tools. To start, go to Claude AI and ask it to generate a prompt to create your thumbnail. Here's an example of a prompt you can use. First on the list is Leonardo AI. Known for its advanced AI capabilities, this tool helps you generate thumbnails. How to use Leonardo AI. Sign into the website. Now paste your prompt here. It will generate the thumbnail. Save and download your customized thumbnail in your preferred format. Benefits: professional-grade results suitable for branding and gaming. User-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Offers a wide range of customization options. Next up, we have Ideogram, a tool that blends art and AI seamlessly. How to use Ideogram. Choose your preferred artistic style from the tool's options. Input prompt about your thumbnail. Let the AI generate your personalized thumbnail. Benefits: ideal for creative and artistic thumbnails. Great for designers seeking inspiration. Generates unique, visually appealing results. Moving on to Freepik, a versatile platform offering a vast library of AI tools to generate thumbnails. The free AI tool that it uses is Flux. How to use Freepik. Log into Freepik AI. Here in the Tools section, you will get Image Generator tool. Now give your prompt to the Flux AI. It will generate realistic images, and you can customize the image of your choice. Benefits: suitable for various niches and industries. Easy to edit and personalize. Adobe Express. When it comes to the finest AI tools for making YouTube thumbnails all around the world, then Adobe Express easily leads the race. How to use Adobe Express. Select a pre-designed thumbnail template from the platform. Use the drag-and-drop editor to customize elements like colors and shapes. Export your finished thumbnail in high resolution. Benefits: delivers premium quality avatars. Intuitive design tools for quick edits. Perfect for professionals seeking polished results. Next on the list is Canva, a favorite among creators. Users can easily make elegant and professional video thumbnails with minimum efforts, ensuring that content captures the audience's attention with ease. Canva features include customizable templates, multilingual support, collaborative design, AI-driven image generation, etc. How to use Canva. Open Canva and search for thumbnail templates. Customize your design by adjusting colors, fonts, and graphics. Download your completed avatar or share it directly. Benefits: simple drag-and-drop functionality. Large collection of templates and assets. Versatile for both personal and professional use. VistaCreate, previously known as Crello. VistaCreate is a smart AI-driven tool suitable for social media marketing, content creators, and businesses. With this platform, creators can generate graphics and video thumbnails effortlessly. This tool is ideal for those users who need high-quality visuals without requiring extensive design skill sets. How to use VistaCreate. Sign into the official website of VistaCreate. In the Templates section, you will find out the thumbnails. Customize and save your preferred thumbnails. Benefits: AI-driven design suggestions. User-friendly platform with diverse templates. Excellent for businesses enhancing their branding. Thumbnail Maker AI. The platform leverages AI algorithms to create personalized and high-quality thumbnails. The tool is ideal for users who need professional thumbnails of high quality in less time. Major features include advanced editing tools, title and description generator, customizable templates, asset management, etc. How to use. Log into thumbnail.ai. Here, click at the plus icon. Customize the thumbnail as per your requirement. Download your thumbnail now. Benefits: quick and efficient creation process. Ideal for users with limited time. Produces vibrant, eye-catching thumbnails. Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is an AI-powered assistant built into Microsoft 365 apps like PowerPoint, Word, and even Teams. But here's where it gets exciting. It can help you design stunning YouTube thumbnails in just minutes. This tool is not just a game changer. It's your new creative best friend. How to use. Sign into Microsoft Designer. Here you can give a prompt about how you want to create your thumbnail. It also provides you the option to change the style, font, and color according to your preference. Now download your thumbnail. Benefits. Microsoft designers can generate custom designs and layouts. It also provides AI-related suggestions. Fliki AI. Let's look at Fliki AI. Here in Fliki AI is known for its different AI capabilities. It allows us to create YouTube thumbnails for free. It also provides many more features like text-to-video and voiceover. How to use. Sign up at Fliki AI. Select the Thumbnail Maker feature. Input your video's topic, and Fliki will generate a thumbnail. Benefits. It integrates thumbnail creation into your video production workflow. It also provides AI recommendations. A time-saving solution for creators. Pikzels.com. Now, let's talk about Pikzels, a dedicated AI graphic design platform for creators. Pikzels are perfect if you want professionally crafted thumbnails without having much experience. How to use. Visit Pikzels.com and create an account. Here, give your prompt about what you want to create. Download your thumbnail. Benefits. Professional high-quality designs. User-friendly interface for beginners. A huge library of templates optimized for end users. Next, we have VidIQ, an all-in-one YouTube growth platform that now includes an AI-powered thumbnail generator. Here, with the help of VidIQ, you can generate thumbnails according to your preferences. How to use. Sign in to your VidIQ account at VidIQ.com. Navigate to the Thumbnail Generator feature, enter your video title, and select a few relevant keywords. VidIQ uses AI to generate thumbnails tailored to your niche and audience preferences. Benefits. Saves time by automating the process. It ensures your thumbnails align with audience trends. Perfect for new creators. And that wraps up our list of the top AI tools to generate YouTube thumbnail. From professional branding to creative experimentation, you can unlock your thumbnail creation potential with the best AI tools for making YouTube thumbnails. All the tools mentioned in the video inspire creativity, improve efficiency, and that wraps up our list of the top AI tools to generate YouTube thumbnail. From professional branding to creative experimentation, you can unlock your thumbnail creation potential with the best AI tools for making YouTube thumbnails. All the tools mentioned in the video inspire creativity, improve efficiency, and enhance viewer engagement. All the tools have high usability and can be used by users with varying skill sets in designing. Explore these tools and enter the world of creativity to generate eye-catchy thumbnails. For more tech-based videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and AI insights. Which of these tools are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.